Pemutih rang bak Assam uhimen tabiswa Sarma ulang bak Sorkar kala shim ya kara ka kongsan ba kata kalong man khang persya ya gejik penkhia leng ba jo Niam ulang ba bunsin kini gejik penkhia leng ba Niam ka yalam bisa ka gejik pegala Niam ya kibri khamtam e haka jaka ka dan kirilu haka juga por ulang ru bak Sorkar Assam kala shim ya kara ban Pyrkhing ya ka Jingialap Niam haka jala Assam na ba kamkwa begitu kibadan Niam kin kala shoy pat Niam da ka ba ken sabi haka Niam kembak kilong.
Assam cabinet has discussed both UCC and polygamy bill, but we were following polygamy. Uttarakhand has passes UCC, so we are now working on aligning both so that we can prepare a robust legislation. We are working on that, but meanwhile, Assam cabinet has passed a very important legislation in last cabinet prohibiting healing. Healing is a very, very dicey subject which is used to convert tribal people. So this bill we are going to pilot because we believe that religious status quo is very, very important. Whoever is Muslim, let them be Muslim. Whoever be Christian, let them be Christian. Whoever is Hindu, let them be Hindu. So that a proper balance can be achieved in our state. So we want to curb evangelism in Assam. So in that direction, the banning of healing, the act which we have passed in the last cabinet, will be a very, very important milestone.
You are talking about aligning the polygamy bill
and the UCC.
How you are going to bring about that?
Our expert committee will now sit because Assam was working on polygamy. UCC became a new thing. Now UCC is only banning polygamy, making it a civil offence. But we were thinking of making polygamy a criminal offence. So now country need a uniform policy. So we are going to align this, and for that I'll have a round of discussion with my central leadership also, that which direction we should go.